Drage dame, dragi gospodje, dobrodošli na majskem koncertu Dijaške skupnosti Škofijske klasične gimnazije. Pred prihajajočim mesecem, z obilico ocen na vidiku, smo vam člani Dijaške skupnosti Škofijske klasične gimnazije pripravili krajši program, ki smo ga s svojimi posnetki omogočili takšni in drugačni umetniki naše gimnazije. Želimo vam lepo poslušanje ter upamo, da vas pripravljene točke nagovorijo ali svojo čutnostjo ali pa svojo komičnostjo. Sedaj pa kar prvi točki z ljubezensko vsebino, ki nam jo bo zapela Kora Fridoljarc iz 1. B z naslovom Lose You to Love Me.
And now it's showing too much to replace us. And it wasn't easy, making me think how you started. Nothing I'm healing, yeah. We always going to him lightly. I needed to lose you to find me. Didn't messing was killing me softly. I needed to hurt you.
Narava je že prebojena in vse že cveti. Take trenutke so želeli impresionistični skladatelji ujeti v svoje skladbe. Danes nam bo Jan Trilar iz 3. D zaigral eno od svojih takih impresionističnih skladb, ki pa ne govori o travnikih in gozdovih, temveč o morju in njegovi razsežnosti. Njen naslov pa je o brezkončni modrini. Maj ni le mesec rož ali testov na Škofijski, temveč naj bi bil tudi mesec zaljubljenih. Ti se v teh spomladnih večerih objemajo pozno v noč ali pa ždijo ob oknu do zgodnjih jutranjih ur, upajoč na v ljubezni boljši jutri. Ob slednjih bosta govorili naslednje 2 točki. Kot prva nam bo Katja Košir iz 1. B zapela in zaigrala njeno skladbo Don't Know Enough About You. Za njo pa nam bosta Eva Lucija Škraba in Manica Drnovšek iz 1. C predstavili skladbo Johna Legenda All of Me.
Don't know about you, I never knew the real you. Yeah, that's something I do. Quickly jump in the sea. We're right where we meant to be. But I think you don't see. I want to drive the car, drive you somewhere far alone, even if you don't want so. And I want to make you mad, 'cause that would make me really glad. After all those things you said, you're making it crazy and a bit hazy. Cool down, baby, open up, maybe. Say what you need to, and maybe you'll feel good. Hop on that red train, leave me in the rain. The wind is going fast, we were two at our best, but we made our own nest, talking all day and night. I can't say that was right. We disappear in daylight. How about we make a lie? Say that everything was fine. Go back to our daily life. 'Cause I want to make you mad, 'cause that would make me really glad. After all those things you said, you're making it crazy and a bit hazy. Cool down, baby, open up, maybe. Say what you need to, and maybe you'll feel good. Hop on that red train, leave me in the rain, but that won't make me sad. 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 Sad. Don't know about you, I never knew the real you. Yeah, it's something I do. I can't say that I was right. We disappeared in the daylight, but it's fine.
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. Got my head spinning all
Naslednja točka je zanimiva priredba znamenitega Bohemian Rhapsodyja, ki nam ga bo zapela in zaigrala na več inštrumentov Elizabeta Bolle iz prvega B.
Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pull my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, but now I've gone and thrown it all away. Mama, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, there's nothing really matters. Too late, my time has come. Send shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody, I've got to go. Gotta leave it all behind and face the truth. Mama, no, I don't wanna die. I sometimes wish I'd never been born at all.
Sledi še ena točka, ki govori o zaljubljenosti in njenih posledicah. V duetu, ki nam jo bosta zapela Larisa Kuhar in Staša Pelko iz 2. C, skladba pa ima naslov Riptide.
I was scared of dentists in the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in their dream. And they come unstuck, later running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. There's this movie that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and heads to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf. And they come unstuck, later running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you'll ever see, no. Later, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Later, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Later, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Pred zadnjo točko današnjega popoldneva bi se v imenu Dijaške skupnosti Škofijske klasične gimnazije rada zahvalila vsem nastopajočim, prav tako pa vsem, ki ste ta naš krajši koncert poslušali. Upamo, da se vas je vsaka točka dotaknila na svoj način. Za zadnjo točko pa so vam dijaki iz 3. Č pripravili zanimivo presenečenje. Lepo se imejte in lep pozdrav!
Nam imamo kure.
Okay, now you
Imamo kure.
Kaj pa, če bi ravno koza, ki se mi zdi bolj prijazna?
To je kozu.
Ja, sej.
Čakaj, moja je una lažja.
Ja, imamo koze.
Pri nam imamo koze. Be.
Da pogledaj, ne, Adam, prosim, ne! Da pištolo vzam.
Pač ne dela od meni.
Kako si me...
Gledamo škofijski koncert.